Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about active voice and passive voice. You know, active voice means what? Katruvachya. Passive voice means karmavachya. A sentence begins with the sentence which begins with the subject is called active voice. The sentence which begins with object is called passive voice. Right? तो आमे हाउ कैन वी नो ऑब्जेक्ट एंड हाउ कैन वी नो सब्जेक्ट जदि आमे इफ वी आस्क verb using the word who लगी पचार देले the answer we get is the subject and if we ask the verb a question using what the answer there we will get is called what object तमें जदि क्रियाटा को किए लगे पचार दब माने तुम सब्जेक्ट मिल जाओ क्रियाटा को व्हाट लगे पचार दब माने तुमर ऑब्जेक्ट मिल जाओ फॉर एग्जांपल राम इज ईटिंग राइस राम इज ईटिंग राइस ये इज ईटिंग इज वर्ब तो ताको हु इज ईटिंग राम सो द राम इज सब्जेक्ट कुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ईटिंग व्हाट इज राम ईटिंग What eating? Rice. Or eating what? Eating what? Means answer is rice. So rice is object. Could understand? He gave me a pen. Who gave? He gave what?
Pen.
Pen. So answer pen is the object. Could understand? Next here. Verb in the sum of the following sentences are look at the here verb in some of the following sentences are active in some passive केते ये जो तले वाक्य गुड़िक दि जाइए the following sentences the verbs of the following sentences in some cases are in active form and in passive form we will identify so identify them and then write A for active sentences and P for the passive ones in the box given against each sentence. The first sentence is Prakash killed a snake with a stick. Mark the verb. Killed. Why? Ed is used. I have told you. Ed lagitebo, en lagitebo, ing lagitebo, it is easy to identify the verb. So here killed is the verb, right? In which form? Active form or passive form?
Active form.
How? Be verb किछ लागेनी. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being. Nothing is used. है जी कि जदि ही धंधा बोले if one of them was used, it would be passive form. In the passive form, right? So Prakash killed, so it is active, right? Next one is mother has made a sweet cake for me. What did I say? Tell me. Mother has made a sweet cake for me. Verb. Mark the verb. Is, am, are, was, were, do, does.
Sweet.
No, sweet is a thing. It is a noun. Helping verb has made. This is the verb. In which form? Active form or passive form? Is, am, are, was, were, be, being अच्छी की and then active voice, right? Next, Mr. Patnaik has been selected president in the Congress party. Has a helping verb, selected verb, been is used, be verb is used, active or passive? Passive, right. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Similarly, R.N. Thakur wrote the Gitanjali. Thakur is a person, Gitanjali is a book, this is a noun, verb is a wrote. Be verb is not there. Is there any be verb? No. So, in which form?
Active.
Right, active form. Thank you. Next one is why was he beaten? This is en form, here be verb. In which be verb is used? Passive voice. Thank you. Next, he must have finished his must modal verb, have helping verb, finished main verb. Be verb is not used. Active voice or passive voice? Tell me.
Active voice.
Active voice. Because no passive, no be verb is used. Okay. Shall we move to the next? Thank you. That is what? 2. Activity 2. Right. What is given? Yes. Put the verb in brackets into the correct passive form. We will make a passive form. Right. What did I say? We will make a passive form. Right. We will do it. Just 1 minute. Right. A car will in the bracket by, this is the main verb, this is the modal verb. Next year if the saving increase, it by verb अच्छी ए by रे कौन लगी को tell what is used in it? Nothing is used, किछि लागिनी. Also we will use be. By bought, third form is bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. So the sentence will be what? A car will be bought next year if the savings increase. Next, thousands of people killed in the earthquake in Japan last year. Last year means past tense. So were killed. It will become were killed. Right. Next, he cannot, modal verb can. He cannot. What cannot cure must be endured. Be. What cannot be cured? Yes. Be endured. जहाँ उपशम हो पारे आम से शोया को बाध्य. बुझे नहीं. आर गोटे ओडिया प्रबाद अच्छी. बुझिपार नहीं. तो नेक्स्ट वन इज इंग्लिश speak all over the world. English is spoken. Right. Next, the road. Days when I saw it was it last year. The road in the bracket repair when I saw it last year. Yes, it is the road was being repaired. Houthola. That is being repaired. Paid. The road was being repaired. Okay. Now let's next one is the accident. Yes, the accident might, modal verb might cause due to the carelessness of the driver. The accident might be. What did I say? Might. M-I-G-H-T. Might be caused. C-A-U-S-E-D. Caused. Okay. Next one is people deny justice these days. People are denied. Are denied. मना करा जाउची. Denied. Next, his grandfather said to have been a landlord. His grandfather is said कुआ जाए. To have been a landlord. गोटे जमीदार थे बोली कुआ जाए. I like live alone. I like to be left alone. To be left alone. Leave left, left. Could understand? Now let's move to the next activity. We shall do it. Okay. Next one is activity 3. Yes. Activity 3. Here under is a letter. Here under is a letter written by a father to his son. बापा लिखुचंदी पुओ को लिखा जायछि बापा ठारू पुओ को लिखा जायछि रीराइट इट चेंजिंग दी verbs in brackets into the appropriate form. Boxy Bazaar, Cuttack, 2nd January 2013. Rakesh. So it is like this. I understand that the annual function of your school is going to be held. Is going to be held on your school premises this evening. I was told became I was told that the governor of our state have to be held. First, to be held. Right? To be held. Okay. This one. On the school premises, this is I was told. It will become I was told. Passive form. That is the governor of our state has been invited. That is what has been invited. Has been invited. Has been invited to inaugurate the function and to give away the prizes to the winners. माने फंक्शन को इनागुरेट करेंगे उद्घाटन करेंगे एवं प्राइज बंटन करेंगे गिव अवे तो द प्राइजेस टू द विनर्स जो मैं जीते थे विजेता दल को आई नो दैट यू सिक्योर द फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन योर क्लास मुझे जानी तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पाइछु इन द लास्ट एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन शेष परीक्षा वार्षिक परीक्षा एंड आल्सो केम फर्स्ट इन द डिबेट एंड एसे और डिबेट तर्क एवं रचना तो फास्ट हो कंपिटिशन प्रतियोगिता व्हिच वाज हेल्ड व्हिच टेल मी व्हिच वाज हेल्ड यस हेल्ड एट योर स्कूल राइट here was held next you should certainly be awarded this is awarded be awarded spelling को AWARD award पुरस्कृत some prizes and medals for your merit and proficiency. I would have been very glad to see you receive prizes from the governor if I was invited. If I had been invited. If I had been invited yes invited to the function and what and had been present here at such happy moments. However, enjoy yourself and stay happy at the function more when we meet lots of love and good wishes. And that is the end of the activity 3. Let's move Yes. What is it? Activity 4. Right? What is it? Yes. Activity 4. The following is a part of a newspaper reporter. At a newspaper संवाददाता बाहर नहीं. A reporter use the verbs supply in the brackets in the appropriate form. 50 houses in the खंडगिरी स्लाम एरिया झुंपड़ी घर अंचल भुवनेश्वर झुंपड़ी अंचल बॉन्ट टू वेर बॉन्ट टू आसेस वेर बॉन्ट born will become where want. Where? What did I say? Where want. B-U-R-N-T want. माने पड़ी गला. To assess last Sunday. 10 children and 6 women were born. Where born the same thing? Born. Yes. Born, were born, the same thing. Were born, alive, জীবন্ত জনতা জড়ি গলে at the beginning sorry all of the belonging of the people ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ବାଡ଼ି completely were completely destroyed were W-E-R-E were completely ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ destroyed destroyed in the fire near ସବୁ ଜାଗା ପୋଡ଼ିଗଲା. About 200 rupees 200 about 200 people 200 ଲୋକ were rendered homeless अघरी गले एंड 8 पीपल 80 लोक वेर हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड LIZED yes hospitalized okay for treatment of their injury caused caused right caused in the fire. How the house first caught the fire was still shrouded EDH. This is shrouded SHOROUDED shrouded आच्छादित ହେଇକି ଅଛି. କ'ଣ ଦେଇଛି shrouded means ରହସ୍ୟ ଘେରରେ ଅଛି ବା ଅଜଣା ହେଇକି ଅଛି. shrouded in mystery ଆଚ୍ଛାଦିତ ହେଇକି ଆଚ୍ଛାଦିତ. this is called ଆଚ୍ଛାଦିତ ଆଚ୍ଛାଦିତ shrouded right. just 1 minute. yes shrouded Mr. Government's assistant for the rehabilitation Thoythana have said up these affected people प्रभावित लोक मान badly yes badly needed is people is badly needed is badly needed NEEDD needed right. So that is end of activity 4. We shall do activity 5 and the other activities in our next class. Till then bye, thank you.
It's okay.